there, superstars! It's time for massive adventure! Today we play and learn animals, colors, shapes, and way more! Are you fast enough to keep up? Let's roll! I'm flying! Brave and loudly, hear roar!
Stomp, stomp. The elephant is big and strong. Make way!
I'm a monkey. Hanging upside down is silly. Chomp, chomp. Shark. Swim fast, swim fast.
So tall! The giraffe can see over the trees.
Hello up there.
I'm a zebra. Let's go!
Lion,
Elephant,
monkey,
shark,
giraffe,
zebra.
Can you say it?
Water. Glug, glug. Yummy water. Banana. Peel it open. Energy for Zuzu.
Milk? It makes your bones strong so you can jump like this. Catch. An apple a day keeps the fun coming. Crunch time!
A tiny tree. Broccoli is full of vitamins. Smart kids eat their greens.
Want muscles? Eat an egg. Protein power, baby.
water,
Banana,
milk,
apple,
broccoli,
egg,
Can you say it?
Orange, like my dress and a basketball. It's the color of fun.
Look up. Blue sky, blue jacket. Cool and calm, just like me.
Green means go, like the grass and leaves. Good luck. Red, an apple, red race car. It's super fast. Whee! Yellow is bright like the sun. It makes me feel so happy. Purple,
Pretty purple, like a grape. Can you say it?
orange,
blue,
green,
red, yellow,
purple,
Can you say it?
it's a circle. Can you draw a circle in the air?
That's a square. 4 sides, all the same.
Look up. A triangle has 3 points like a mountain. Reach high. A star. Got 5 points. Strike a star pose. 1, 2, 3.
Long and strong. This is a rectangle. It's like a door to a new adventure. Boom, 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 boom. That's a heart. It's where all our happy energy lives. It's circle, square, rectangle, triangle, star, and heart. Can you say it? A chef makes food into art.
Fly. Caught it. Who wants a pancake? Zoom. I'm a pilot. I fly high in the sky to the clouds and beyond.
Don't worry, doctor is here. I fix boo-boo so you can play again.
Check it out. An engineer solves problems. I build bridges strong enough for anything.
Look, big carrot. loves yummy food. Dig, dig, dig.
Fascinating. A scientist discovers how the world works. Science is power.
Chef.
Pilot,
Doctor.
engineer,
Farmer.
scientist.
Can you say it? Peekaboo, my eyes see you. I see bright lights.
Shh, listen closely. My ears hear a beautiful melody. Can you hear the music?
My nose smells flowers. Do you like to smell flowers too? Clap, clap, my hands are fast. High five. Go feet, go. My feet run super fast. Catch me if you can.
Fuel up. My stomach turns food into energy. Max power.
Eyes, ears, nose, hands, feet, stomach.
Can you say it?
We did it! We crossed the finish line.
You are a champion.
Great job learning today. Play, laugh, learn. See you next time.